What's happening, folks? Welcome into the channel. My name is Jason. Thanks for joining me. So today is October 3rd and I hadn't planned on doing a video today, but my Ring camera alarm went off and brought up my Ring camera, and that was a dude, the male guy, bringing a package up to my door. So once he left, I went out, of course, and to see what it was, and I got this. So let's talk about what JC Newman sent me right after this. Alright, folks, welcome back into the channel. My name is Jason. Thanks for joining me again. So I'm smoking a Quorum. This is from JC Newman as well. I got this from Rick Zunt. Rick is their regional guy. He's our rep for Napa Cigars. Great dude, good golf partner. I'm a horrible golfer, but Rick's a good golfer, but he's my golf partner. I've known Rick for a number of years now, and Rick gave me some of these cigars, and they're tasty. We'll say that much. If you've never had a Quorum, check them out. They're tasty. So, quick box opening today. It's a great fallish day out right now, October, and I'm going to go ahead and do a quick unboxing. I believe I know what's inside of here, but you know what? JC Newman surprises me occasionally, and sometimes it might not be what I think is in here. So I'll just open the box up and then we'll go from there, and we'll see what it is. Set my cigar down. So before I go any further, let me mention a couple things. So I've been doing YouTube for coming up, I guess about maybe 9 months ish or so. I've had some problems with my YouTube account. Went down for, I'm not going to specify what reasons they were. There is a video on that. You can actually access it, or maybe I'll put a link somewhere up here where you can see that. It actually happened to be twice. But JC Newman was one of the first sponsors to actually be a part of my channel, and I can't thank them enough. They've stuck with me this whole time, even though my channel has been slowly growing and it hasn't reached where I want it to be yet. But YouTube's not an easy thing. If anybody has started a YouTube channel or have been in YouTube, it's not an easy thing, and I'm doing this all by myself. I'm editing, I'm filming, I'm researching content, I'm doing all that stuff by myself, whereas a lot of people actually have individuals who edit for them, who do thumbnails and all that stuff, and I'm doing it by myself. But JC Newman has stuck with me the entire time. Napa Cigars has stuck with me the entire time, and I just want to say thank you guys very much for those individuals who have also Drew Estate. They've reached out and have sponsored my channel with some stuff. So I want to say thank you guys very much for hanging out with me and sticking with me in the long run, because it's been a long process. But you can't give up. I'm not going to give up, because I enjoy making content. I love cigars, love the cigar industry. I've met so many wonderful people through the magic of cigar smoking. I can't even begin to describe how that has felt over the years. So anyway, enough of that stuff. I just wanted to mention that real quick. Let's open up the box and see what we got. So I think what I'm going to do, set this right, I think I'm going to leave it here and open it, because I don't know how that's going to work on the table up there, because sometimes this table is a little wobbly. By the way, I made this table, I made this little table thing here, and I got it for free. So there's actually a little short video on that if you want to check that out as well, on how I made the table, if you're interested. Kind of a cool little story on that. So anyway, here we go. We got some paper right here. So let's see what's inside, shall we, of this box. So we got okay, so right away, paper. Official paper from Tampa, Florida, by the way. All right, so we have a Bricktoberfest, the 2022 box of 10. This is awesome. Thank you guys very much for sending these along. I'm really looking forward to smoking these. Brick House are great cigars. If you haven't had a Brick House, you don't know what you're missing. These I haven't had, so awesome. Let me actually, you know what? While I'm here, let me pop these open real quick, and we'll take a look on the inside. Kind of do like a kind of a miniature box opening. Not quite, but you know what I'm talking about. So let me pop these open real quick, and we'll take a look and see what the Bricktoberfest looks like. I'll give you a personal view. Throw that on the ground here. I'm gonna open these up. Let me see if it'll actually open or if it's stuck. Oh, it actually opens. So let me move the camera down a little bit, and we'll do the dramatic box opening here. There we go. Look at this. How awesome is that, right? Oh, move that out of the way. Don't need that in the way. There we go. How awesome is that? Look at that. Let me pull one of these out of the box. I shouldn't actually lit up that cigar. I'll smoke one of these in the next couple days. But there you go, Bricktober right there. It's got the 2022 label there on the bottom on the foot. And of course it's got a pigtail on top. This is awesome. Man, I am really looking forward to smoking these. So that's what the box of those looks like. Close this, I'll put that back in there later. Actually, I don't even need to do that because I will be smoking that tomorrow. All right, so that was the first thing. Let me close this knife so we don't have a different kind of a YouTube video. And some more paper. And there's 2 other boxes in here, and I think, let's see, these probably look one and the same. They're heavy, so let's see what's in here. And I'm pretty sure, I think I know what these are, but let's, oh yeah, these are the, yeah, I know what these are. Oh, these are the Steins. Check this out. Now I have a reason to go get some beer. Wrapped very nicely. Oh, awesome. Look at this, you guys. This is amazing. So here we go, the official Boot Stein right here. And it's got the Bricktoberfest logo right there on the front. Look at that. How amazing is that? Selected tobacco right there. Man, this is awesome. Thank you guys so much. Have to wash these out before I use it. But next time I film a video, and actually, matter of fact, next time I do the Brick House, I'll do a Brick House review on that. I'll get some beer and I'll fill this sucker up, and we'll drink some beer and we'll smoke a Brick House. So yeah, the other box is the same, so I'm not going to open that one up. I'm pretty sure there's another Stein in there. So there we go. A quick box opening from JC Newman Cigars. Thank you guys so much for sending that stuff out to me. I feel very blessed to be able to have you as a sponsor of my channel and to be able to send me these things so I can enjoy the Steins and all that other stuff and the cigars and everything else you've sent me in the past. It's much appreciated. By the way, I hope you're all doing well. I know there was a big storm over there. Everybody knows that. I hope you're all doing well over there and everybody's safe. So that concludes the box opening that I really didn't expect to do. So anyway, until the next video, guys, take care.